Hello YouTube, it's me again, I'm Bloke, and today I'm making a video about my new computer which I am building with help. Yay! So hopefully I made the video saying that my content is going to be slower on the release because of a new computer, and I'm going to go through it with you now. I'm filming on my trusty phone camera, so that's why it's probably really bad quality. Who cares? Let's get on with opening that. Oh no, I've ordered packing foam. Darn it. I always seem to get all the packing foam. Oh well, I better throw all this away. Oh wait, what's all this? Let's have a closer look. Well, let's get the big one out the way first. Yummy. Ooh, yummy. So, as you can see, it is an Asus motherboard, a Z970p. As you can tell, I've had no preparation for this video, apart from going, fuck it, let's look at it. So, yes, that's my motherboard now. Let's do the graphics card. It is big and heavy. So, I went for the GeForce GTX970. The Omega AMP Core Edition, yes. It's the most expensive graphics card I think I've ever bought in my life, and it came with a free game, which isn't even out yet. So, yay! Now we have an Intel, I'm going to say it right in a minute, an Intel Core i5 processor. This particular one, if I'm not mistaken, is, let me look at my piece of paper, a i5 4570 3.2 gigahertz processor. And it's got a happy thinking man on it, which is very blurry. Oh. 16 gigabytes of RAM. Lovely. I once put DDR3 Ram in upside down, and I blew up my computer. That's why I'm not building this on my own. SanDisk, nope, Samsung, I'm good at this. Samsung SSD, 254 gigabytes, so that's for Windows and all that good shit. A bag of wires, and don't forget my Corsair modular power supply, which is bronze. Yay, I love it all. Here is my Silverstone Precision PS11BW MIDI Tower Classic Black. Yes, I prepared for that one by reading. I like it because it's got a see-through panel. I like see-through panels. Hey, this is where all the magic's gonna happen in the future. It's all gonna look really sexy. And I'm gonna make lots of videos and none of you are gonna watch it. Cause yeah, why don't we do that? For the record, this is my old computer. It doesn't have an SSD in it, even though it says up there it does. That's because that's my list of things I've killed in that computer. An SSD and power supply and all that good crap I blew up when I put RAM in upside down. Yay. So hopefully I won't do that with my new super expensive computer. So, that is the computer which I'll be building. It cost me a lot of money, about 800 quid. I'm probably not going to film me building it because I can't be bothered. I'll probably forget. So instead I have my cats. Have a cat. Have two cats. Hello. 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 Did you enjoy them? Good. Hello. I don't know why I'm saying hello in the middle of the video, but update. I have finally built the computer after 3 weeks, I think it was, maybe a month. Basically, we had some problems putting it all together. Everything's sorted now. I have my computer plugged in and working as we speak. Oh, so yeah. It was all fun building it. The problem we thought at first was the motherboard was broken. So we asked for a replacement, got a replacement, plugged everything in, still didn't work. Turned out it was nothing to do with the motherboard, we were putting in the cables wrong. So, yeah, let's have a look at this bad boy. Told you I like having to be able to see inside. That was really bad. I don't care, I'm not bothering to edit it out. Oh dear, there's lots of glare, but look, you can see all the computer bits, you can see the fan is spinning, and everything else, and it's blue, and it's amazing, and it's fast, and it's responsive, and it's sexy, and I can't record for shit today, but I'm not gonna bother re-recording it. So, yeah, brilliant. I'm already happy, really happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments down below about your PC mishaps. And yeah, looking forward to making more and better videos in the future.